Let's see how you can easily create an AI customer support system for your business which can answer your customer's question 24/7, and also if a particular customer needs a human help, it can also transfer that particular conversation to the human agents as well. So let's see how to build this one over here. So here I'm in a demo account, and here if you go to the settings over here, in settings admins, you can actually add unlimited number of agents or customer support staff as well. For example, if you click on add, here you can set the permissions for them. For example, if you want to add a particular person as an agent or the customer support staff, you can only provide access to contacts or inbox tab. Otherwise, you can also provide access to only just the manage only assigned conversation as well. So once you have added your agents, they can actually handle any sort of conversations over there. To build a customer support system, we can actually use the pipeline boards over here. So let me go to the pipeline boards and add a new pipeline, which is, so here in this case I can choose customer center. So in this case I can choose support center. So let me choose that one, and this is the support center. So whenever a new issue or new request is received, it will be added here. And here you can also create different stages as well. For example, so here let me add this playlist stage, pending customer response. So, and also we can also add one more stage which alright, so let me add these two stages, pending customer response and closed as well. So we can keep this as it is. And now let me actually use a free template over here. So here, go to the flow section and all free templates, and here let me use this one for this particular demo. Here you have to simply add your business information right here, and here we already have some information about symbol certificates, so it will simply work over here. And here we have this AI trigger, connect user to human, that will actually transfer the particular chat of a user to the human agents whenever required. So here if you go to AI triggers, you can actually locate that particular connect user to human, and you can check what you have here. Allows user to speak or talk to a human agent or support team. Simple as that. And here you can also create your own AI triggers as well. So by default, you will see this particular AI trigger added to your account. So here we are simply choosing this one right here. All right. So let me publish this one, and we have to make this particular flow as the default flow as well. So here, AI chatbot lead generation as the default flow, and save it. And we actually left with one more step as well. So here, if we want to send the lead information to this particular support center board, then we need to actually add a rule over here. So let me go to the rule section, and let me add a rule saying new issue customer support. So let me add this particular rule over here, and here when the conversation is transferred to the human, so that particular AI trigger will transfer the conversation to the human, and from there we can actually trigger the automation for the pipelines. So choose pipelines, and so the action will be add contact to the pipeline, and the pipeline will be support center. And here you can add the ticket name. Here in this stage you have the option to choose what are the stages we have already in that particular support center. So we should actually add this as a new issue stage. And so instead of ticket name, let me just add the user ID over here. That's it. All right, and here continue and save it. All right, and make sure to activate this one over here. So this is the rule we just created. Make sure to activate this one as well. All right, so now this has been activated. So let's test how this actually works. So let me test this on this particular Instagram demo Chatbot, and this can actually work on any of these channels connected as well. So here let me send a message over here. So it says, how can I assist you today? And let me say, what services do you provide? So let me ask this question and see how this actually respond to us over here. All right, we provide these sort of services. So let me say, I'm interested in a preventive care. How much is it, and can I get discounts? So let me ask this question and see how this actually works. So this will send the pricing if we only have the pricing information. So here in the prompt we don't have the pricing information, so it simply asks the customer to directly contact this particular number for the pricing information. And it also says, if you are interested in VIP offers and updates, I can help you sign up for our newsletter. So let me say, yes, I'm interested. yes, I'm interested. So this will actually collect a particular customer's name, email, and the phone number as well. So let's see how this actually works. It says, could you please provide your email and phone number so I can complete your sign up. So since they're actually chatting on the Instagram, it actually knows their full name as well. So here, let me say this particular email right here, and actually provide the email and the phone number in the single message as well, and AI can easily track and save those details in the correct fields as well. So let me send this message over here including the email and the phone number, and now that particular information should be saved in our profile as well. So here, if we go to the inbox over here, let me open the inbox, and here this is the email, this is the phone number I provided, and every chat is chat, and you can actually track the chats happening here, and it says bot is active as well. So now let's see how the transformation to human happen over here. In this message, I need to talk to an agent please, because I want to ask about some refund. So now this should actually transfer that conversation to the human. So now let's see what sort of a message we received. So it says I have connected you to a human agent, and as you can see the bot is active, is gone. So now if we go to this particular support center over here, and let me refresh the page over here, and as you can see here, it's added as a new issue as well. So here Robert, this person, this is the ID. So the ticket, so the ticket name I just put the user ID, so that's why you see this here, and you can actually change the priorities manually as well. So let me say hi, and it simply says created by automation on this particular date as well. Simple as that. And here once a particular agent replied to that particular customer, so here they can also, so here a particular customer agent can simply reply to them as well. For example, let me go to the inbox. I'm in the inbox, and let me say this message, hey, a human agent is here, can you please provide the order ID. So now I'm sending a message as a human agent, and here that should be sent to the customer as well right there. So here we receive the message as well, and here you see pipelines, and here this is their issue. So now we have already responded to the customer. So what you can do is you can actually change the status as pending customer response right here as well. So now this one has changed as pending customer response. So now if we go to the support center, you see this particular person is changed as pending customer response over here. So let's say customer is sending a message with the email ID. So let me send this random email right here. All right, so here let me send this message, and now we should receive the response over here, and let me say thanks for your information, your refund has been processed. So here I can send a message again as the human agent, and here, so now we can actually close this stage as well. So choose close over here, and that should be closed as well. So now if we refresh this particular page, you can track how many new issues we have, how many issues we, the pending customer response, and also how many closed ones. And likewise you can actually create your own stages as well. So here we actually tested this one only on Instagram, but this can actually work on including all the channels you see right here. And that's a quick video on how you can easily create a customer support system for your business. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.